I'll show you how to make this unicorn themed heart-shaped charm using my free 3D models. Download the STLs and 3D print them in your choice of colors. Add some glue to the back of one of them. I put some on the heart and a tiny bit on the horn. Press the two pieces together and make sure they're lined up before the glue dries. The filament colors I chose are fuchsia, white, and silk gold. What colors do you think would look good on this? Grab some string. You could also use ribbon or cord, lots of other options here. Measure out a piece long enough for the charm to fit through the loop. Then cut a little longer than that to account for the knot. Tie a knot, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now time to put it on. Pull the string through the hole of the zipper pull, loop the string around the charm, and it's on. What do you think? Isn't that cute?